I was recently provided a pair of GAMMEX PI glove and glove system by Ansell. Here are my thoughts. GAMMEX PI glove and glove system is the new and improved way for double gloving for nurses. It keeps nurses safe on a daily basis by reducing the risk of perforation. Many nurses are not practicing the right way with double gloving due to time constraints, but these new gloves come pre-donned and allow nurses to double don in half the time. All right, I'm gonna show you guys. You're gonna open up this plastic wrap, just like you would with any gloves. Put it to the side, back into your trash. You're gonna open up all the way. Open up the sides, be careful not to touch. You don't wanna touch your waist. Open up one of these at a time. Make sure that these stay away from your gloves. You can already see the inner lining is green and the outer lining is that tan lighter color that we were talking about. Turn it around so it's facing you. So your first glove, since I'm dominantly right-handed, I'm gonna grab the inside right here. Watch your outer corners. You're gonna insert your non-dominant hand here. Be careful touching anything. Put on the glove. Staying sterile as much as you can. There you go. You're gonna take your gloved hand and insert it on the inside of the other glove. All right, try not to touch that plastic wrap with your hands. You're trying to stay as sterile as you can here. And then you insert your hand in the other pair of gloves. You can see also that there's two different colors. So if products or blood or waste gets through, you can see it, which will also prevent infection. So now we have on our gloves and we're ready to go. Fold your hands in front of you so you don't want to create any more infection that you already can. For more information on double gloving or Ansell's GAMMEX PI glove and glove system, visit ansell.com/glove and glove.